Good evening, everyone. I am Jessica Beasley, a former student at BYU, Idaho. I am currently taking HS 472, and tonight I am going to be talking to you about mental illnesses and the different types and/or severities in different cases, as well as how you and your community can help. So, let's begin. So, in reality, how many different types are there? Well, 3 in my opinion. People with just a slight case of it that only need a little bit of help, but can still hold their own, or seem to try to. And 2, there are sorta in the middle, meaning it could go either way, and or need help from both sides. Which sides, you may ask? Someone else and a professional help with a little bit of their own help. And lastly, 3, they need professional help and someone else in their life to help them function correctly. Now let's just take a moment. Think about it. We may all have a little bit of it in us, but we may never realize it. There are multiple ways we can help, but again, we as a community may never stop and think about ways to help because our lives become busy, or caught up, I shall say. So, I want to let you know in ways how to help and things people with mental illnesses can do to receive help. But don't go thinking that just because they have an illness means they cannot do anything. Just they think differently than us and are smart. Just they think outside of the boxes, something we may not often do. So we need to think outside of the box because we can help by just making sure that person sticks to a routine, or just having someone there for them to talk to. Let them get it out. There are also support groups everywhere if they are in need to help them and hear from others with their same situation. Find ways to cope that work for them, that others may try and may also work for that other person, so that they also have support in their lives. That is another very, very important thing they currently need in their life to move forward. These things are all important, as well as you, especially you, because you can make a difference in someone's life or help them receive help so they can better themselves or find ways that increase better habits and or routines, and their lives may be a little more normal than usual, and maybe, just maybe, a lot less depressed people in this world. That would be great, right? So, let's really think about this. Think about it hard. Let them know that you care. You are there for them. So, with all this being said, I want to take this time to thank everyone who listened and took their time out of their day to listen, understand the importance of mental illnesses and ways you can help.